Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that transferring assets securely is key. Today, we're tackling how to send Avalanche, AVAX, from your Tangem wallet to Kraken Exchange. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet set up and your Kraken account ready. You'll need the Tangem app installed on your device and funds in your Avalanche wallet. If you're new, download the app from the official source and create or import your wallet. Step 1. Open the Tangem app and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Look for the Avalanche network, it's usually listed under supported assets. Select your AVAX balance to start the transfer process. Step 2. Generate or retrieve your Kraken deposit address. Log into your Kraken account on their website or app, go to the deposit section, and choose Avalanche. Copy the wallet address provided. It's crucial to get this right to ensure your funds arrive safely. Step 3. Back in the Tangem app, enter the amount of AVAX you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on congestion, so check the estimated cost before proceeding. Double-check the recipient address to avoid sending to the wrong place. That's a common mistake. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to verify with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once confirmed, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. This usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on your Kraken account for the deposit to show up. A quick pro tip. Always use the Avalanche network for this transfer to keep things efficient and cost-effective. If you're dealing with larger amounts, consider using a hardware wallet for added security. And there you have it. Your Avalanche is now on its way to Kraken. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.